Ductless air conditioning could be your best choice when you want to add AC to your Salt Lake City home. Ductless cooling is gaining in popularity in Salt Lake City, Utah, due to their super high efficiencies and flexible installation. Daikin, the world leader in ductless air conditioning, is a popular choice due to their high efficiencies and outstanding warranty. Do you have a home with no ducts? No problem. Adding air conditioning to your older home does not have to be difficult. It's as simple as adding a Daikin mini-split air conditioner. Do you have rooms that are just too hot or cold? No worries. A Daikin mini-split air conditioner is the answer. Ductless AC is especially popular for master bedrooms or the baby's room. A Daikin system is whisper quiet. You won't even know it's there. Consider ductless air conditioner when converting an attic, basement, or garage into living space, or when you have a remodeling or home addition project. You can count on Daikin Ductless AC to have a solution for you. Ready to find out how ductless air conditioning can add value to your Salt Lake City home? Turn to the Ductless HVAC experts at Just Right Heating and Cooling. They're a Daikin Comfort Pro, NATE certified, BBB Plus rated, and nationally recognized as a Ductless All-Star. It doesn't get any better than that. Call 801-302-1154 today.